Samsung had a lot to prove with its Galaxy Note 8, the first new addition to the Note range of smartphones since the Galaxy Note 7 was pulled from store shelves last year following a number of reports of handsets catching fire and exploding. Many thought it was brave, or perhaps foolish, of Samsung to continue using the Note brand, after such a high-profile recall. But the company has come out fighting with the multimedia powerhouse of a smartphone, taking design cues from the award-winning Galaxy S8 and combining them with the power and functionality of previous Galaxy Note devices. It's early days, of course, but as yet there have been no reports of any overheating issues. Samsung has implemented a new 8-point battery safety test, in an attempt to make sure history doesn't repeat itself. Assuming that all the components stay below boiling point, this is undoubtedly one of the most desirable phones on the market, and Samsung is already reporting record pre-orders in the US. But with an eye-watering price of £869, it may struggle to gain mainstream success. Here's my verdict on the Galaxy Note 8. The Galaxy Note 8 is very similar in appearance to the Galaxy S8 Plus, and only a fraction bigger, with a 6.3-inch Super AMOLED screen as opposed to a 6.2-inch one on the S8 Plus. As with the S8 and S8 Plus, the Note 8 boasts an infinity display, which means the interactive part of the screen stretches almost to the edges of the device, with extremely narrow bezels around the edge. The corners on the Note 8's display are more angular than those on the S8, and the glass doesn't curve at the edges in the same way, but it is still an extremely attractive device. The Quad HD Plus display, which is certified as Mobile HDR Premium, serves up sharp images and eye-popping colors, making the most of the larger screen space.